Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Rekha and today I shall show you how to make this simple V-necked ruffled blouse. You will need your fabric, some light interfacing, the patterns for this style which you can purchase from our website, sewing supplies and some elastic. Let's start by sewing together the front and the back pieces at the shoulders. I'm using French seams for this tutorial, so I'm pinning the pieces with the right sides facing outwards. The seams are ready. Next, let's work on the facing for the neckline. Iron down the interfacing onto the facing pieces. Remember to place the interfacing with the shiny side facing downwards. Attach these seams together. Fold and iron the seam allowance all along the outer edge. Place the facing onto the body piece with the right sides facing each other and stitch along the neckline. Cut notches at the front tip and along the curve. Fold over . And stitch. Now let's stitch the sides. I'm using French seams here as well. Double fold and iron the bottom curves on all the frill pieces. Stitch them in place. Now stitch the sides together. Pin these two circular pieces together and secure each side with a very loose stitch. Pull along the thread gently to create the gathers. I'm using this method to create the gathers, but you can also use a gathering foot if you have one, or even directly give little pleats along the seam. Now attach the gathered piece to the sleeve opening. Follow the same with the other sleeve as well. Now for the bottom hem, double fold and iron the fabric in place. Stitch all around, leaving a little opening here at the side. Pass the elastic through this opening. I'm using a safety pin to help me do this. Overlap the seam allowance and attach them together. And finally close the opening. And our blouse is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Thank you for watching the video, and I will be back very soon with another one. Bye!